Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on LCM. Our question is, find the smallest 5 digits number which, when decreased by 13, is divisible by 14, 16, 21 and 24. The given options are option A, 10,183, option B, 10,317, option C, 10,093, option D, 10,169. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We'll first solve it from the given options, as the number has to be decreased by 13. So we subtract 13 from each option. On subtracting 13 from 10183, we get 10170. On subtracting 13 from 10317, we get 10304. On subtracting 13 from 10093, we get 10080. And on subtracting 13 from 10169, we get 10156. Now our answer must be divisible by 3 as well as by 4. As the last two digits of the option A is not divisible by 4, so option A cannot be our answer. Option B, the last two digits are divisible by 4, so B can be our answer. The last two digits of option C is divisible by 4, so option C can be our answer. Option D, the last two digit 56 is divisible by 4, so option D may be our answer. So option A cannot be our answer. Now we have eliminated one option. Now we find the sum of the digits. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 4 is 8. It's not divisible by 3, so B cannot be our answer. 1 plus 8 is 9. It's divisible by 3, so C may be our answer. Now we find the sum of the digits of option D. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, and it's not divisible by 3. So D cannot be our answer. The only option left is option C, that must be our answer. I hope you have understood how to find the answer from the given options. If you are able to get our answer from the options, then we can directly select that answer and move to next question in any competitive exams and save our time. Now I erase this portion and we will solve it by the regular method. Now we will find the LCM of 14, 16, 21 and 24 by shortcut method. The largest number is 24, so I write 24. Now the next largest number is 21. The only common thing in 24 and 21 is 3. So 8 times 3 is 24 and 7 times 3 is 21. So 7 is not included in 24, so we multiplied by 7. 24 multiplied by 7 includes 24 as well as 21. Now the next number is 16. 24 is 8 times 3 and 16 is 8 times 2. So 8 is included in 24 and 16. 1 2 is left in 16, which is not included in 24. So we multiplied it by 2. Now 14. 7 multiplied by 2 we already have in our multiplications. So 14 is included in 24 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. So this is our LCM. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 4 is 56. We write 6. we carry 5. 14 times 2 is 28 plus 5 is 33. So our LCM is 336. If you are unable to find your LCM by the shortcut method, then you should go by regular common division method. So we will find the LCM from common division method as well. We write all these numbers 14, 16, 21 and 24. We divide these numbers by 2. 2 divides 14 for 7 times. 2 divides 16 for 8 times. We write 21 as it is. 2 divides 24 for 12 times. Still 2 numbers are divisible by 2. We write 7 as it is, as it's not divisible by 2. 2 divides 8 for 4 times. We write 21 as it is, as it's not divisible by 2. 2 divides 12 for 6 times. Still 2 numbers are there divisible by 2. We write 7 as it is. 2 divides 4 for 2 times. We write 21 as it is. 2 divides 6 for 3 times. Now 2 numbers are divisible by 3. So we divide these numbers by 3. We write 7 as it is. 2 as it is. 3 divides 21 for 7 times. And 3 times 1 is 3. Now we divide these numbers by 7. 7 divides 7 for 1 time. We write 2 as it is. 7 divides 7 for 1 time. Now we multiply all these numbers. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 times 3 is 42. 42 times 2 is 84. 84 times 2 is 168. And 168 times 2 is 336. So our LCM is 336. Now the least 5-digit number is 10,000. We divide 10,000 by 336. 336 divides the initial 4 digits 1000 for 2 times. 2 times 336 is 672. On subtracting 672 from 1000, we get 328. We carry 0 from above. 336 divides 3280 for 9 times. 9 times 336 is 3024. On subtracting 3024 from 3280, we get 256. We subtract 256 from 10,000 and we add 336. And we also add 13 to get our answer. 336 minus 256 is 80. 80 plus 13 is 93. 93 plus 10,000 is 10,093. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 10,093, which is that number which when decreased by 13 is divisible by 14, 16, 21 and 24. I hope you have understood all the methods explained by me in solving this question. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.